Today's story is about the Japanese monkey named Punch. The word for monkey in Japanese is saru. He was born on July 26, 2025 at Ichikawa City Zoo in Chiba, Japan. His first-time mom abandoned him because of the summer heat. Zookeepers rescued and hand-raised him. Punch felt lonely. He bonded with an IKEA orange orangutan doll. He clings to it, drags it everywhere, and grooms it like a real mom. Zookeepers call it Ora Mama. In January 2026, he joined the Monkey Mountain troop of 60 macaques. Other monkeys scolded and avoided him. A viral video on February 19th showed an adult dragging Punch in a circle. People thought it was bullying. The zoo clarified. It was another monkey mother who was teach Punch about not overstepping boundaries and to stop bothering her baby. The mother monkey taught him a lesson in the monkey way by chasing, grabbing, and biting him. That is the monkey world, monkey society, their way of teaching and disciplining. But many people overreacted from their emotions at first glance. Punch is resilient. Now he gets first hugs and grooming and is allowed to join the group. There are some people who have offered $50,000 to adopt Punch, implying that they will take care and raise Punch. But they need to understand that Japanese macaques can't always be around humans. They need to socialize with their kind in their monkey society and group. It's important for their well-being. They can't live with people because they are wild and need to live in their natural ways. If people want to donate, please do. $50,000 or $100,000, donate it to the zoo. Visit the zoo and support it. They have staff who are taking care of the animals. They have veterinarians and the infrastructure to support the animals. This is a good way to support the zoo. 20 years ago, the Ichikawa City Zoo experienced a similar situation with another monkey named Otome, a female saru. Otome had a similar experience as Punch. She was abandoned by her mother after being born. The zookeepers had to take care of Otome, raised her, and also gave her a doll. The other monkeys avoided Otome or pushed her away. Then gradually over time, the other monkeys accepted her and she was integrated with the group. When she finally let go of her doll for the last time, she was fully accepted by the group. The animal world, it's their world. Try to avoid misunderstanding. Our emotions make us want to do something, but what is appropriate for a monkey in a monkey world, in a monkey society? I'm looking forward to seeing Punch getting accepted by the other monkeys, receiving grooming, socializing, and even receiving hugs. I hope his happiness will continue for the rest of his life.